Ukraine's head of the National Security Council, Alexei Danilov, said that his country would continue to target sites in Crimea as part of a step-by-step demilitarization of the peninsula with its subsequent occupation. Attacks in Crimea by Ukrainian forces have expanded the fighting zone deep into Russian-occupied Crimea, where they have previously operated with impunity, and this would be unimaginable just a few months ago. Russia's Black Sea Fleet has also suffered setbacks throughout the invasion campaign. In April, the flagship of the fleet, the cruiser Moskva, was sunk after being hit by anti-ship missiles causing the ammunition to explode. The Russians attempted to tow the cruiser to Sevastopol, but she rolled over and sank during the journey. Later in June, the Russians were forced to withdraw from the small but strategic outpost of Snake Island, off the southern coast of Ukraine. Russian troops seized the island during the early hours of the war, where a Ukrainian radio operator, after receiving the Moskva's demand for surrender, responded with, "Russian warship, go F yourself." The Russian Defense Ministry framed the withdrawal of the island as a goodwill gesture. Last month, Russia's Navy Day parade in Crimea was cancelled after a small, homemade drone landed in Russia's Black Sea headquarters courtyard. Damage was slight, but it had a significant impact. Then came the attack on the Russian airbase at Saki that destroyed 8 aircraft and damaged others. It effectively took out half of Russia's Black Sea aviation assets. On Monday, Ukrainian partisans acting with Special Forces personnel blew up a large ammunition depot near the coast. On Friday night, explosions were heard near another Russian airbase, and the Black Sea Fleet's headquarters was hit with another explosion. The attack on the ammunition depot this week was seen by thousands of Russian citizens on the Black Sea coast, a favorite vacation spot. But the attack profoundly affected those vacationers, as satellite imagery showed a long queue of vehicles leaving Crimea for Russia just after the attack. For a country that has carefully orchestrated what news is available to Russian citizens and any negative reporting on the invasion can result in long jail terms, this development is important. Russia thought that this area of the Black Sea was immune from any Ukrainian attacks. The attack has struck home both with the citizens fleeing and the government in Moscow. There seemed to be genuine panic among the civilians, and any government spin can't hide the fact or stop those fleeing from relaying what happened. Russia's Black Sea Fleet commander, Igor Osipov, has been replaced after several setbacks by his command were suffered, and its power projection was severely impacted. Osipov was replaced by Vice Admiral Viktor Sokolov, who vowed that the defensive posture would soon be replaced with further operations that would seek control of the entire Black Sea. Russian government-controlled news tass quoted him as saying that the fleet has been successfully completing all the tasks set for it during the special military operation. Sokolov told a group of young officers that he'd been appointed as the acting commander of the Black Sea Fleet, and the fleet will receive 12 new vessels and additional aviation and land-based vehicles later this year. Sokolov had previously been the head of the Admiral Kuznetsov Naval Academy, a post he held since 2020.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. He's doing the job every day.